Alright, so here we have a unicorn. Samsung 15-inch laptop. Haven't seen one for a while. And this is kind of weird. That's a quality issue. Okay. They've covered the screw hole like they're smaller size laptops. What's the issue with this guy? Fingerprint is a power button. Let's have a look at the customer's notes. What did they say? So, original quote request is not turning on, blank screen, and is almost also not charging. Unable to understand what the issue is. Not turning on, blank screen. Well, uses a Type C, which doesn't look all that well. There's another Type C here, and so two Type Cs. Okay. The Galaxy Book apparently. Okay. What do we see? 23 volts. It's on this cycle. Move it around. Same thing. Try here. Same thing. Power button. No reaction. Yeah, this reminds me of another Galaxy I worked on, which had the Type C issues. Not necessarily the port, but rather the Type C controller that they use. Hopefully it's the same one, because if it is the same one, then I do have it in stock. As the other Galaxy Note, which is in the members only viewing section. These are hard to work with. Okay. This one has extreme use. All right. Dual SSD, nice. Okay, what's the battery voltage? The battery should have some voltage at least. Yeah. Like we shouldn't have PCH issues like before now. Yeah. 16 volts. Why doesn't it turn on with 16 volts, bro? Maybe battery is full. Maybe it just needs a cycle. There we go. Battery, trackpad, keyboard. Could be even that. Okay, no, but power button goes through here. Okay. Plug that back in. And it's gonna turn on. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Okay. Oh, it is on, yeah. Like I said, so frozen whatever BIOS. So 1.2, 1.3 amps, 2 amps. Battery is charging. Okay, we disconnect the charger. It stays on. Reconnect the charger. Yep, 1.92 amps. And try the other Type-C port. Okay, see if we can get a battery report on this. It is not a touch screen. Yeah, I think we're gonna leave it at that. Looking for chip that may explain. (5452H). Yeah, it is a power delivery chip, Realtek. There is two of them for two chips. Oh, yeah, so there are two, 1 and 2. Okay. Okay, we'll leave it at that for now. We'll come back later.